In this video, we're going to talk about Quicken Simplifi and review the app. So in case you've been wondering if this is the right app for you, here's all about it. Now, first, we're going to talk about a bit of an overview. So Simplifi is basically designed for younger users looking to track their financial accounts, budgets, and day-to-day spending, okay? So with a fresh user experience and a helpful dashboard, Simplifi is one of the best budgeting apps available right now. It has some advanced features like credit scores and budget rollovers, making it an editor's choice winner, which is great actually. Now, you might be wondering how much does Simplifi cost? Well, Simplifi costs $47.88 per year, okay? So, though sometimes it's discounted to $35.88, okay? This is less expensive than the Quicken Classic Deluxe and the Monarch Money, okay? It offers great value for its price, especially compared to free apps like NerdWallet and Credit Karma, whose financial management features aren't as strong. So, definitely, Simplifi is much better than those. So, getting started with Simplifi is actually quite easy, and setting up your Simplifi involves two steps. You have to first create an account and connect your financial accounts. You can import data from other apps like Mint to get started quickly, and though not all accounts are required, missing ones will result in inaccurate net worth calculations, okay? So make sure to connect everything you've got. Now, the key features of the Quicken Simplifi app is that it's got a very user-friendly dashboard and it overall looks great. Credit scores and budget rollovers are also included, which is of course very helpful. Now you have spending watch lists and spending plan tools, investment tracking with near real-time data, which is amazing and not many apps offer that. You have customizable charts and reports, and strong transaction management and reminders, okay? Then, after all, you've heard right now, in this quick review, we're going to talk about whether Simplifi is right for you. So, Simplifi is actually an excellent choice for many people looking for a budgeting and personal finance app. Its user-friendly design, comprehensive tools, and affordable pricing make it a standout option. So if you're seeking more advanced features, Quicken Classic or YNAB may be worth exploring. However, if you like Simplifi and all the features I just mentioned, Quicken Simplifi might be right for you and will definitely work great for you and for your needs. So I hope this quick review helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.